minicam's finally come, our annual day. So I woke up around at 8ish and I was already late because I needed to be there by 9. But early morning, got everything, packed everything, time to put stuff inside the car and my Kirita bag along with Nivedita's Kirita. And it's just a slow morning for me because I was already late, so I don't want to be more late. I was trying to rush as soon as I can, but things need to be done and things need to be taken care of. So I keep everything inside, and I eventually get a call from Minil that she had already reached. So we have the minicam on.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm come early. Everyone's coming now, kind of. And so Abhi asked me to start this vlog for her. So just a preview of what's gonna happen today. They made a stage and set up chairs. Where will I be sitting? Definitely somewhere here. I can see my darling in full glory at the stage. Yep. Bye bye. Also, they got lights. There.
Eventually.
Hi Minnie, good morning.
Good morning. I did your vlogging thing with you. The stage looks nice, but I do feel like there will be people who disagree. We'll see.
I do not care.
They have a stage, is what I care.
And you're drinking coffee.
I love my coffee.
We're waiting for
I'm an
Masadosa.
addict, by the way.
We're
We're
waiting for Masadosa to reach as soon as possible. Because we're late. I'm late. He's late. Obviously, in the panic of being late, I messed up everything.
Hey guys, what's up? So I've taken over Abhi's vlog again because this bitch is on full-on panic mode. Is this how it's yeah, this is her, and you know, full-on panicking and just braiding Nivi's hair. She's late. I'm very chill because I'm not involved. I'm just watching her dance. Yeah, this is the full fit for the dance. You'll get to see another picture later.
My hair.
That is her hair. I thought when she said hair, I thought she meant her hair was on her head. She meant this. She meant this. I should have known. Mother is panicking. Mother is panicking.
That's not.
Oh yeah, dance mom.
We need to do our faces paint.
What?
He's painting her face.
What are you searching for? Tell me. I'll pin it later. It's fine. I will do it. Calm down. She panicked and
No,
thing.
it's okay. Print this. Put that
Period.
Ta-da! A little less panic.
Let's just wash off some clothes.
Yes. Don't worry.
My new pants! I look like I committed
Suicide. Nivedita! What did you do? What happened?
That's fine.
It's okay.
Look at what I did.
Leave it.
I'm the model.
Bega. Baby. You can't really see it. She committed suicide. I committed the murder. I'm sorry. It was not my intention to ruin your pants.
Will it please go away? Tell me it will go
It does go away.
If I wash this water?
Soap.
Okay.
And it might stain your pants as well for a few days. So, for a few washes. For a few washes. This is Bengali Alta. It stains like a bitch.
So why the fuck did you buy it?
Because it stains well. Bro, finish it over here.
What more?
This is what more. But you look fine. You look fine. That's all that matters right now.
All the stuff that happened.
Everything that can go wrong went wrong. Her getche broke, my necklace broke. There's a murder scene on the ground. Yeah, and on her fan. Oh, hi Sudeep. Yeah. The poor thing. And her lotuses fell off. We're just trying to do our best. Okay, I Tanimdo. Well, everything that can go wrong did go wrong. The person was supposed to come and do our hair did not show up, so I needed to do it. My sari wasn't draping. This nama was continuously falling off, but we somehow made it through. And yeah, it was just very, very stressful. I became very stressed. We somehow made it, and yes, I am a very demanding god. I realized that today. I think so. My friends knew that since the time they met me, but yeah, that is how it is. But we did reach the show on time, and it started off with the other classical performances, and we just got to chill out till that time, and we were the center of everybody's attention. Everybody is looking at the show right now, but when we entered with our gadgets, oh my god, heads turned, bro. And yeah, look at me and Navy just chilling out. And the performances were great. I really enjoyed it. I was really looking forward to it because since this was like kind of short, like the time that we had to prepare was short, so we couldn't really see all the performances while we were practicing. And this is just before our performance. So we got the music set up and we told them we only wanted one light and not multiple lights. And then we went on stage. Obviously, the full video is already up on my YouTube channel. So please, if you're interested in seeing my final performance, go ahead. It was a blast. Well, this was our year ka dance. So everybody was just hyped up and everybody was just vibing to it. It was really great. Especially when the guys joined in on the dance, and it was just, yeah, it was good. We all enjoyed a lot. Everybody was hyping everybody up, and it was overall a very, very good time. Everybody just enjoyed, and you can see us also just losing it. Obviously, it's not our college dance if everybody doesn't do this specific dance. This is a Karnataka specific thing. And I wanted to join it too, so I dragged Nivedita with me. For all the classical dancers, please do not take offense to this. We were just trying to have fun. And we did get down also. We just, small dance. Okay, please do not take offense to any of this.
There's no shade there, right?
I don't think so.
Guys.
No, we are gonna burn our feet. This is true power.
We are God, we're invincible.
Yes, we are invincible.
Invincible God.
Yes, we can walk on coal, burning coal. Oh my god! How was the performance?
Yeah, have fun.
That's fun. Jenny, how was the performance?
It was amazing.
Yay!
Amazing.
We did justice to our last performance.
Yeah, you did. Yes, you did. That's what it was.
Ow. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Oh. Time to get unready. The lift's here.
Wait, give me the. Oh my god. It should open and you're there posing. Do it. Okay.
It's just some extra content. Feel free to skip ahead if you don't agree with us having fun.
Lakshmi? How dare you interrupt our lovely time? Child, be gone.
Bye. What the?
You're interrupting my time to take rest.
I can see that.
Doors closed.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Food. We came without changing.
Yeah. We came early.
We're the first people here. And after changing, actually, my sir came to us and told that he drew us. We look amazing. And now, photo time, and it was just such a different day. It was a little bit surreal that it was our last performance ever, and I tried to take as many photos as I could, but the costume was just so heavy. So, yeah, but I did really enjoy. I felt how much ever as a god I wanted to, because I never know when I'll get this chance again to dress up this fancily with my friends. And yeah,
2 hours later.
first performance, got everything. I got my hall ticket, and I'm only going to give my research books. So I gave it to my HOD and librarian. Yeah, one more to see what that is. Let's go.